Hi guys, video na naman. So for today's magsusolve naman tayo ng logarithmic function. And this problem is from Herman and Strong Calculus Volume 2, page 93, number 322. So let's get started. So actually this problem is madali lang masyado because meron tayong formula na integral of a x dx is equal to ax over L A plus C. Yun lang. So pag sinod natin to siya is integral of 2x dx is equals lang to siya sa 2x over L and 2 plus C. So ito na yung final answer. Thank you.